In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the IKEA Symfonisk Lamp Speaker. Sometimes you might encounter connectivity issues, or perhaps you're setting it up for someone else. Performing a factory reset will restore your speaker to its default settings, making it ready for a brand new setup. Let's go through the steps to ensure your lamp speaker is functioning optimally. First things first, you need to power on your speaker. Simply plug your SYMFONISK lamp speaker into a power outlet. You'll want to give it about 30 seconds to fully power up. During this time, make sure that it's not playing any music and is in a completely idle state. This ensures that the reset process is not disrupted. Next, you'll need to locate the reset or join button on your speaker. Depending on your model, you may find the small join or connect button on the back or underside of your speaker. Some models have this button conveniently placed next to the power cable or near the base. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the whereabouts of this button before proceeding. Once you've located the button, it's time to move on to the reset process itself. When you're ready, press and hold the join or connect button. Keep holding it down. Don't release it too soon. You'll need to continue holding it for a full 10 seconds. During this period, keep an eye on the LED light. You might notice it flash orange and white, or perhaps just white, depending on the model of your speaker. Once the flashing stops and the light turns to a solid white, the reset is complete. Your speaker is now factory reset and ready to be set up again. It behaves just like a new device, eager for its next adventure. To reconnect it to your system, open either the Sonos app or the IKEA Home Smart app. Look for the option labeled Set up a new product and tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your speaker to Wi-Fi and integrate it back into your audio setup. Here are a few pro tips before we wrap up. Keep in mind that a factory reset will erase all previously saved settings, including your room name, favorites, and sound groups. If for some reason the LED doesn't flash as expected, unplug the speaker for 30 seconds and try the reset process again. Another note: since Symfonisk speakers are made in collaboration with Sonos, the reset method is exactly the same as for Sonos products. Thank you for watching and following along with this guide. By now, your Symfonisk lamp speaker should be all set and ready to perform at its best. I hope this video has been helpful. If you enjoyed it, consider liking and subscribing for more useful guides and tips.